Good evening everyone, and welcome to my app Vizrec. And this app is basically similar to Shazam, how Shazam basically recognizes audio and then report back the name. What we do is, if you take a picture of a person you don't know, we report back their details. For example, we're going to try Donald Trump, and what it's basically doing right now is matching and fetching results. Now the key is, once it fetch results, it's going to do, for example, it's going to give information. As you can see, it say President-elect of the United States. Then the home page take you to Wikipedia. We have other features that I'm not going to show, but some of the features that I think are very incredible for this app is, say hypothetically you take a picture of a person, and based on that picture it will send you that person's Twitter account, their Instagram account, Facebook account, and even better than that, it'll send you a YouTube video. Not send you a YouTube video, but it'll send you to the link, and all of their videos will appear. So from a standpoint of visual recognition, our mission is to be the leader of that. As you can see, Lewis Hamilton we did Donald Trump. You guys can see right here list of people we already done. It's just a small demo so you guys can see. It's a lot of other features, like I said, that we won't show, but we have a database over 8 million records, and we continuing to try to get more because we want to be complete, and we got big plans for it. I can't get too much in detail with it, but what I can say is, from a visual standpoint, we stress this, we want to be #1. Right now we're doing celebrity faces. Then as it evolves, we're going to get deeper into maybe other things. We just want to master everything to do with visual, so we're going to take it one step at a time. So I hope this video covered everything. I hope you got this, get a real good understanding basically how this works based on what I'm explaining. I would like to go deep into it, but for now I'm gonna give you this to hold y'all off. Hope y'all enjoyed it.